Alright, welcome back everyone. We're just going to go quickly through and have a look at the back end of the website where all the pretty much the driver's seat. So this is what the customer will see. Obviously, it still remembers from the last time we were on, which was, I don't know, about half an hour ago. And it still remembers the iPhone. We'll get rid of that. But anyway, so basically, this is the back end. You'll have your own login to get into this, and this is what you'll see if you log into that. It gives you the total orders, total sales, customers, and people on site online at the moment. It will give you a good view on returning customers and a little bit about them, what they're looking at, and what they're doing at the moment, just to give you an idea of what's moving, what's not moving. This will all be your own stuff, obviously. This is actually the last store that we did. So that we were looking at yesterday, like half an hour ago. So today we'll go back to the dashboard. Um, in here, you'll get a good view of your sales. It'll also give you your customers and your orders. So your customers could be lower today. This is either per day, per week, per month, per year. So per day, customers are down, but you can see your orders that have gone up. So you're getting more orders but less customers, or vice versa. Hopefully not. Then you can see your total orders here, and it will give you your order ID, the status order, everything you need here. You can obviously search for individuals, and it will actually give you everything, all the information you need really. It's also got shipping stuff, and you can also print this out in a large, just so you got a physical copy really. So what we'll do is you can have a look at products. This is how you would modify. You can search here as well if you want to look for an item. If we go at the top here, we have just a heads up display. It will give you all the orders that are pending, all the ones completed, all the returns, customers online, pending approval, out of stock items, reviews, and pending approval for affiliates as well. So if we go to out of stock, this will be item 1. I put it here a little while ago actually. So what we'll do is we can actually edit this here, and what we'll actually do is we'll go down to general. Basically is all the information that the customer will see, including meta tags and stuff that will link it all over Google. So if someone searches up item 1, this will have a chance of Google will find this and be able to display it. Data is all your back-end stuff, your SKUs, your prices, whether it's a tactical good, the out of stock status, so we can say it'll be back in 2 to 3 days. It's in. You can always say that it's in stock, or we just say out of stock once the quantity is lower than or is 0. Your maximum quantity or your minimum quantity, sorry, is the lowest it will go before it will flag and say, look, we need to reorder them. You got your available date and some dimensions of the box or the item for shipping, which is this down here. This is all shipping stuff. So what we'll do is we'll say we have 3 of those. If you go to this, type in item. I'll just type in item. Alright, so item 1, the best item I know. There we go. Now quantity. Now there are none of these. Wouldn't let us actually. We can't actually buy it. But I didn't have any pictures either, so this is probably not the best example, but that's alright. Anyway, we'll say we got 3 now, and we would save. And there we go. It is no longer out of stock. If we do go to just say, here we go, this Canon EOS 5D, naturally people would buy it and it would take it out of stock here. This manages all your stock in the background. It knows how much items you have. It will keep track of where they go. It will keep track of everything that you need. Everything that an online store will do. This is designed to specifically help you to make sure it's nice and smooth, and you only need to worry about ordering the parts or the stuff in for yourself to send, or building or making or whatever you need. So what we'll do is we'll go down here, quantity, and just say we've sold out. We manually took 7 of them away out of stock. and then we would save, and there we go. And that will come up on the website as well in about a couple minutes. It will come up here saying that we have none. So what we'll do now is I'll actually show you some of the discount stuff. We've mucked around with the Canon one enough. We'll try something else. Alright, so obviously the meta tag, we didn't have one, but it is important to have. So computer, that's what it is. Apparently it's an Apple Cinema. All the information is there. That's so the customer will be able to read it. Don't need the meta tag description. And now I want to show you a little bit more up here. So there is a reward system as well. So customers that have an account with you will earn rewards, and the rewards can do various things. You can have it do whatever you like. We'll actually go a bit on that a bit later. You got the images. To upload a new image, you would click add a new image, and you could click and drag into here as many as you like, but we won't actually do that. Just drag it in, and then it will upload it there in the order as well. So we don't need that. All right. So you got your specials as well, which is at this date. So the start date, you'd click on one till the end date. It will be $90, for example, and you can select it for a particular customer group, like big spenders, or for if you have people who buy repeatedly from you, stuff like that. And there's the discount system. So if you got obviously you can have multiple, as many as you like, really, for different reasons or different time periods or different people. So that's good. That's like if you got resellers, or if you just good spenders. Then you got here's your options. We won't worry about that. Attributes and links, this is important because this will, if you wanted to put it into a different category, if we were to click here, for example, now you can find this item automatically inside here Mac and Trackball, which hasn't updated yet because we have not saved it, but we won't do that because it looks silly. Alright, that's pretty much the end of that bit. I'll go into discounts in a minute. It's brilliant, so we'll save that. Okay, alright, that's done. Alright, so we've got recurring profiles, which is people that are coming through and buying lots. Downloads, you can have software on your for sale on your store, and it will manage that as well. So it will limit how many downloads, and it will keep an eye on that. Modules, these are pretty much plug and play. So you can add Facebook store, bit filter. You can have login with PayPal, Amazon, PayPal Express, different slideshows, and you can actually edit the one that's already there on the home page. You can add more. There's thousands of these that we can get. You just need to let us know what you're after if it's not on here. Obviously, the premium store has a bit more than this. Has a bit more than the other two, and you have access to a lot more anyway. But if you do need something specific, let us know and we can find it for you. They're not expensive at all. Most of it's free actually, but still we'll find out. We'll find out what you need when you ask for it. Alright, so we can go into orders. This is just that overview I told you about before. Print shipping list, print invoices, and you can add manually as well. It's pretty. We've already gone through this actually. So we'll go through here through coupons. This is important. Now, what we can do here is we've already got ones that are set. So 22222 is a 10% discount. 111 is a $10 discount, and 333 is shipping. Now all these this is enabled and these are disabled. So we can edit that one or add a new one. We'll go down. The coupon name is Happy Friday. I wish it was Friday, which isn't. And the code can be 1234. Now it can be a percentage or a fixed amount. We want it to be a percentage, and you get 20% off, which is a lot. We don't worry about a total amount. And the customer does the customer require to be logged in? We'll say yes, they do, and it will also provide free shipping. You can add the products. You can either set it in. We'll